we are back on organic molecules. The question is question number 2. In a normal question paper, we'll be dealing with the nomenclature, which involve mainly 4 things. That is your homologous series, and your functional group, also it will involve the naming, and you have to know also the isomerism here. Isomerism. So you must know the 4 types of isomers, from the umbrella to the other ones. Here's a question paper which is very recent. In the question paper they are saying the letters A to H in the table represent 8 organic compounds. Now we can analyze the organic compounds obviously together so that we can see what will be the easiest way of dealing with the table. We go for functional groups. First, in homologous series, butanol is an aldehyde. Therefore, it's a functional isomer of ketones. And this one becomes your butane. It will have, once a butane means that it's a hydrocarbon, and its general formula will be CnH2n plus 2. It's a saturated, you can write those as well. So we know there's only one isomer of butane, that is methyl propane. And this one is ketone, 4 carbon atoms. You can see now A and C, obviously they will be the functional isomers. Functional isomers. So 4 carbon atoms, 4 carbon atoms. Then this one is a ketone. Also you can name it because it's easier. It will be butanone. Or if you like numbers, we'll have butane and then 2-O. This one is methanol, 1 carbon alcohol, methanol. You know methanol, it's fine. It just got hydroxyl as a functional group. This one is a haloalkane. And then I can name it quick if we want to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore the parent chain is hexane. Then at carbon number 2 I've got bromine. We'll have 2 bromo. And then 3,4 dimethyl. Dimethyl in a hexane structure. This one becomes, this one is an ester. You can see that the ester is coming from a compound D plus compound propanoic acid. Propanoic acid is G. Therefore, this one is but1-in or but2-in. It's an alkene. It will have CnH2n as a general formula. It has got 3 structural isomers. This one is your acid or ester. If it's an acid, it will be propanoic acid. If it's an ester, then we'll have 2 options. We'll have now 1 carbon from the alcohol, methyl ethanoate. But if 2 carbons are come from the alcohol, will be ethyl methanoate. Let's answer the questions. First one, define the term hydrocarbon will be compounds consisting of hydrogen and carbon only. And then 2.2.1, we are having another question. They say to us, write down number 1, the letter that represents a hydrocarbon. We have already know that is number B. And number H as well, B and H. 2.2.2, they say to us, number of functional group, to which H, name of the functional group. That one was a mistake for Northwest. I think it was a mistake. We don't have the functional group name in alkenes. 2.2.3, and then letter that represent a carboxylic acid obviously is G. 2.2.4, then we have defined the term functional isomers, and now this one will be now the compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups. Fine. Then we come into 2.3. They are saying to us, number 2.3 is compound E, primary, secondary, or tertiary. E, it's a secondary haloalkane, right? Secondary. Then they're not saying give reason, it's fine. But if they said give reason, then we'll say the bromine is bonded to the carbon, which is bonded to two other carbons. Or the functional group is bonded to carbon, which is bonded to two other carbons. 2.4, 2.3. Oh, I skipped one. 2.2.4. Okay. This one, compounds even they were okay. Same molecular formula. But oh, this is 2.4. 2.4. And then I missed here 2.2.4. They're saying written the epic name of E. E we said is 2-bromo, 3,4 dimethyl hexane. That's it. And then 2.3 is this one. There's the numbering here. This is supposed to come here, and then now 2.4, and then we're coming to 2.5. Thank you. 2.5, they say for compound A, write down the following. 2.5.1, homologous series to which it belongs. A, we said, is an aldehyde. Already analyzed that one innocently so, which is good. 2.5.2, they are saying to us, write down the letter that represents its functional isomer. Already said that. Says C. Then it's going to the next page. For compound B, that is 2.6, write down the structural formula of its chain isomer. B is butane. We said chain isomer is methyl propane. Therefore, you write down the structural formula. And this is the case: methyl propane, hydrogen, hydrogen. Fine. Others they call it 2-methyl propane, but they wanted only structural formula, not the UPEC name. Write down the UPEC name now. They say write down the UPEC name of the compound mentioned in that one. So if they say UPEC name 2.6.2, therefore now it will be 2-methyl propane, or just write it as methyl propane. Just methyl propane. You are also correct. Methyl propane. Now the last two questions, they say is 2.7. They're saying to us here, let's just zoom in. Question number 2.7. It says compound F belongs to esters. Yes. Now state 2 reaction conditions for the preparation of compound F. You know that we need concentrated sulfuric acid and heat. That's the 2. The last question says write down the UPEC name of compound F. Let's see. Compound F, we know that is coming from methanol and propanoic acid. Therefore, compound F will be methyl propanoate. That's all. You get somewhere around 22 marks. All in all, hope it's very easy. You go along with the explanations. Most important thing in this case is to analyze the table before you can attempt answering this question. If you can do this when answering the question, it becomes very easy. If you can get to use this method, you will never go wrong in any question in chemistry. So let's pause and then we'll do the physical properties questions and then reactions.